Hello beautiful people! In this video I'm going to show you how to make a 3D pop-up card. So, keep watching! So to make this card you will need one A4 and one A5, and you fold them both in the middle and make the fold quite strong. Fold it with your fingers. And then the A5, you cut two slices, like I show here in the video. That will be the support for this rock and the tree. So the more shallow cut is further in the background, and the deeper cut is the support for this tree. You can see it better from the side if I show it like that. When you glue it together, I just use normal paper glue, a stick, and then you glue it on together so that when you open it up, the background paper pulls the tree and the rock up to stand, and that makes it into a pop-up. And now obviously you can decide what kind of characters or what you want to pop up in your card. I chose a tree and a rock in mine. But yeah, it can be a heart, it can be a flower, it can be anything you just decide for your card. And then I used the die cuts to cut out the letters and the hearts. Now you can check out my other video about how to use die cuts without a machine. I can leave a link below if you want to check that out. But just like you see in this video as well, I just gently rubbed above the die cuts with a rock to cut through the paper. One of the most important things when making a pop-up card is to check that when you glue on the pop-up paper, make sure that the creases are in line, so they support each other when you open the card. And now you can go ahead and decorate your card as you please. So in the end, I decided to put color all over the white parts as well and continue the sea all the way down to the beach and the sky all the way up. Just felt a bit cramped with the big tree and like the background wasn't big enough, so it made sense to paint the whole thing instead. And then I added this little cave here. What do you think? Good? Not so good? Now one thing is missing still from this card, which I'm gonna add now, and that is a ribbon to tie it together. So I'm using 2 little rectangles of paper and I glue it on. So I'm adding a little bit of glue and sticking this one underneath like that and sticking it more or less in the middle. Turn around, glue, 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 and stick on the other side. And then when it's dried, I will tie it together into a bow, like that. One of my lovely friends here on YouTube called Dina made this art challenge called Red Rover Art Challenge. I'm here on her channel now. That is why I will contribute with this video, because she asked to add something red in your artwork and I added the little red part in the middle. Can you see it? Where is it? There. So this is my contribution. And guys, go and check out Dina's channel as well. I will put a link straight to the art challenge and to her videos down below. Go and check her out. She is lovely and she is very, very talented. She has this own technique of using spoons when she paints. It's quite cool. So go and check her out. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I will see you very soon. Bye! Have a beautiful week ahead.